Sunny Bonani, good day, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the show. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Ninga Indao will be talking about a game Mamelodi Sundowns versus Isikukune tonight. Starting lineup Mamelodi Sundowns. How will they line up against Isikukune United? Never rains but pours. Lapayana e Clorcop. We saw the Mamelodi Sundowns fans bafana noDonald Trump ufuna iGreenland uDonald Trump. Mamelodi Sundowns fans want Pitso Mosimane. We don't know whether Donald Trump will eventually get his wishes in acquiring Greenland. We don't know whether Sandawana, whether they will eventually get their wishes and get their former coach Pitso Mosimane back. Yeah, these were the scenes Mamelodi Sundowns have condemned their own fans and behavior. My fans were saying that the behavior it's not tolerable, and this is the statement. I will put it on screen. Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club saying Mamelodi Sundowns condemns the behavior and the conduct of a few ill-disciplined supporters who were disrupting members of the Sundowns technical team as they were leaving the stadium after the Sundowns versus Al Hilal match. Sundowns has always encouraged active supporter engagement, which must always be done with respect and courtesy. Well, if you didn't see ukuthi amaTawana bebayenza lapha in Pretoria after their game against Al Hilal, let me play you that clip. Yeah, those were Mamelodi Sundowns supporters not very happy with the result. That was a 2-2 draw against Al Hilal. We know that Sundowns, they've won the league now 8 times in the row. Management coming through saying that they do support the coach. So yeah, guys, it looks like Nizoba strong in terms of getting Pitso Mosimane. It does not look like it is going to happen. If Mamelodi Sundowns win against Sekhukhune, they are going to extend their lead at the top of the table, that is over Orlando Pirates, both teams sitting on 29 points. Mamelodi Sundowns will extend their lead. Orlando Pirates, they are also playing against Imagesi. I think that is on Friday, if I'm not mistaken. That is the Orlando Pirates. We've seen the Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. They have been strong this season, challenging Mamelodi Sundowns, going on toe-to-toe with them. Siyayithanda ileague mainjalo. That is, it makes the Betway Premiership very exciting. So yeah, guys, drop your thoughts on comments. Do you think Mamelodi Sundowns fans are justified ukuthi bafuna uPitso Mosimane back? Siyazi ukuthi uPitso Mosimane neMamelodi Sundowns, they have a court case disputing. I think there is an appeal that must be heard regarding 8 million which Mamelodi Sundowns ifunayo from uPitso Mosimane makajona Al Ahly. So it looks like that one, it will not happen. It looks like the chairman, Kapi Motsepe, and the sporting director, Fleming Beck, they are very close. And yeah, the team, it goes on to say, Guti, they are going to support the team, or they are going to support the coach in terms of Lapayana defending the Betway Premiership title and going all out for the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns will go final Lapayana CAF Champions League last season. So drop your thoughts on comments. Do you think the fans are just being crybabies, or are they justified? Have they set their standards very high in terms of winning titles and winning league titles, and also big teams, Mamelodi Sundowns consistently playing in the CAF Confederations Cup? At least they've been reaching the quarterfinals, the semifinals, and then last season they reached the final, losing to Pyramids. So yeah, mina bafethu angazi, I think the coach he's done fairly well. I think he's not met the standards, the high standards of Pitso Mosimane, Rulani Mokwena, and Mangoba Mngeti. But he's done fairly well, winning the league, defending the league title last season. However, Cardoso, he has not done well in cup competitions. Then Mamelodi Sundowns fans, they have every right to be upset with the coach Miguel Cardoso. So yeah, drop your thoughts on comments regarding that, guys. Let's talk about the starting lineup. Mamelodi Sundowns starting lineup versus Sekhukhune United. In goal, that is, I will have Williams, Ronwen Williams will be there in goal, and Mutau will start at right back. Kekane and new signing Kulmanen Damane, they are my favorites to start. At center back, Kekane right center back, Ndamane bamsayine laphayana ku-TS Galaxy. Undamane, and the breaking news is that Ulitlako has refused to sign a new deal with Mamelodi Sundowns. Ulitlako, TS Galaxy, they had a proposal to sign the youngster Ulitlako for Undamane. That was a proposed swap deal. However, it has not gone through. Mamelodi Sundowns rejecting TS Galaxy for Ulitlako. Ilokhuzana, TS Galaxy were trying to replace uLokhuzana, umfana ohambile wayalaphayana ku-Chicago Fire, trying to replace him, Puso Ditejane. They were trying to replace Puso Ditejane with Ulitlako. Mamelodi Sundowns also rejecting an offer at the beginning of the season for Ulitlako from an unnamed club in Belgium. So now they've also rejected ETS Galaxy, trying to replace Uputsa Disejane. That is ETS Galaxy. It looks like they will not be getting Ulitlako. Ulitlako, we saw he started on the bench against Al Hilal. So yeah, that is the youngster. And then I will have Tato Sibiya Lapayana at left back. You saw I was not impressed with Pasadine over the weekend. I think he's very much rusted. Motiva, I know some of you guys would like to see Motiva there, but I think Tato Sibiya, his performance last week, it was very impressive. So I will have the back four of Sibiya, Ndamane, Kekane, and Mutau. And then I will go on to the midfield. I will have Alende, I will have Mukwena, and I will have Santos as a midfield trio. And Lapayana Pambili, it will be Sales, Arthur Sales, Brazilian. We see Mamelodi Sundowns, they've been missing another Brazilian player of the season last season. Ribeiro Costa, he is playing his trade in Spain. But for this game, Sales, he is going into that role. I think I see now they are playing Matthews in that role. Sales and Matthews, they are able to interchange those positions. And I will play a new signing, Leon. We see Motiba. Motiba, he has not been impressive playing the number 9 role. So yeah, new striker, Leon, I will have him to start up front alongside Sales and Matthews. Yeah, that is the lineup. Mamelodi Sundowns. In other PSL news, Peterson has extended. Kaizer Chiefs have rather extended their goalkeeper and captain's contract, Peterson, to June 2027. So that is Amakosi. Peterson playing very well. He's kept 13 clean sheets this season. Very impressive. Also, he is raising his hand for that World Cup berth in terms of clean sheets and the way he is performing and his form for Kaizer Chiefs this season. And Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs versus Zesco. Ama-coach ngiwazwile athini uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs coach uBen Yosef, they were not impressed with the field, or let me rather say the pitch laphayana eZambia, saying that they were not able to play their normal football and the pitch was not very impressive. And the coach, the Zesco coach, has go on to say that Kaizer Chiefs are making excuses, even though Kaizer Chiefs did not get the opportunity to train in that pitch. They should have been able to play on that pitch, because Zesco now, they also had to play on the same pitch. So yeah, guys, do you think maybe that is some kind of advantage beyifunwa iZesco? They did not allow iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi train laphayana, as is mandatory ukuthi i-team kumele i-train the day before the game kuleyo pitch abayodlala kuyo. That was not the case eZambia. That is according to Ben Yosef. So yeah, guys, drop your thoughts on comments. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in to Diski Diary, guys. We will be talking about Kaizer Chiefs versus Marumo Gallants, and we will also be having the starting lineup for that game. So make sure you tune into the next show tomorrow. Yeah, drop your thoughts on comments for my prediction where Sikukune versus Mamelodi Sundowns. Do you think the coach will get sacked if he does not win that game? Do you think Pitso Mosimane should return to Mamelodi Sundowns, or should Ukado also be given the chance ukuthi aqhubeke nomsebenzi wakhe? So yeah, guys, drop your thoughts on comments. I've come to the end of the show. Thank you so much. Cheers. Bye bye.